What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be testing out some of my handmade crankbaits. These things are awesome, but we just got some fresh snow by the creek. So I have two different colors. This guy is definitely not a color of a shad, but I did some cool stuff with some color shifting colors right there. I don't know if you can see that. It changes purple to blue, and then this is the back. Has some red eyes on it, and these are hand poured out of resin. Black handmade eye has that red and green shifter paint. You can see in the sun now. This thing really glimmers in the sun. It's pretty, and it has these baits have hand tied feathered hooks. This guy's a marabou hook. All right, so right here I have it tied on by St. Croix Mojo Bass Rod. First, I'm gonna just pull it. After this, we'll do the underwater footage, but let's just do slower retrieve. You can see that bait really wiggle in the sun. Let's kind of do it faster. You can see beautiful bait. That tail really gives it some more action. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.